Looking for the best soundbars for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 soundbars that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a soundbar that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended soundbars. Number 1 on the list is Yamaha YAS-207BL, one of the world's first soundbars using DTS virtual technology. The speakers from both the soundbar and included subwoofer create a 3D surround sound experience. What this means is that, while watching a movie, this system will simulate intense sounds around and even above the listener. The soundbar uses numerous speakers for different dimensions of sound at any point in a movie, along with a powerful subwoofer rated at 200 W of total power. All components are mountable and come with a mounting kit and easy instructions. The rectangular subwoofer is 17 inches tall and the soundbar is 36 inches wide, both components most ideal for wall mounting or resting under 40-inch flat screens. Both the subwoofer and soundbar are wireless and Bluetooth capable for all your mobile devices, phones, laptops, desktops, and tablets. Additionally, any components which will connect to your television can also be connected to the soundbar using HDMI, optical, or analog connections, DVD players, computers, and gaming systems. This is a one-of-a-kind product with an equally unique design that you won't find anywhere else. It is truly perfect for all listening needs. Second on the list is Wohim S9920. This is a great soundbar to take a detailed look at. At 38.6 inches long, it's about the size of your 40-inch flat-screen TV, or perhaps even the shelf your television is above. Though by no means does this device have to be laid on the ground, and it comes with a step-by-step mount kit and tools for overhead mounting. This soundbar is slightly longer than your average example and therefore works to set a precedent for the other products on our list. Its length is equipped with 2x10W tweeter speakers, creating a room-filling sound of 105 decibels. The expansive audio allows for crystal-clear organic sound, and the built-in 2x bass reflex tubes add a richness to your movies, shows, and music. We'd compare this to the movie theater experience, but for your home, it is far better than any theater. The 3D surround sound system was designed with DSP technology for clarity and precision that will support all your devices. Cables include RCA, USB, coaxial, and optical inputs. The device is also wireless and Bluetooth capable, with a Bluetooth connectivity radius of 30 feet. For your home, office, etc., this model is very affordable without breaking the budget. Number 3 on the list is Sonos Beam BEAM1US1BLK. This 25.6-inch soundbar is about the regular size you'd see if you went into your local electronics store. It's designed to place under your TV or up on a wall mount or shelf and is HDMI capable for your TV's HDMI ARC input. However, what makes this model extraordinary is its wireless capability with automated voice control just by asking Alexa. Using voice control, you can play music from Amazon, Spotify, Pandora, iHeartRadio, and hundreds of streaming services, TV and movies, through the included Sonos app. Use your phone like a remote and pair devices to this soundbar when you're changing from music to movie or from movies to games. The Sonos Beam is designed with 1 tweeter speaker and 4 mid-woofers for excellent sound within a 30-foot radius. Additionally, installing your own play ones left and right of the Sonos Beam and configuring them in one group would give you a 5.1 system for your home. Current sound quality is certainly movie theater level and can also be made compatible with Apple devices and asking Siri. Number 4 on the list is Vizio SB2821-D6. Vizio's 2.1 soundbar upgrades your current system, or lack of one, to premium audio with a 28-inch bar of crystal-clear sounding speakers and an additional square wireless subwoofer. This product guarantees surround sound for a room up to 30 feet in length with less than 1% harmonic distortion. It's wall-mountable and comes with instructions and an easy-to-use mounting kit. Additionally, it looks great on a raised shelf, sitting beneath your 30-inch flat screen, or built into your long entertainment system. soundbar and subwoofer are designed with Dolby Digital technology for cinema, broadcast, DVD, Blu-ray, and all other streaming content. The sound quality is also Dolby rated, utilizing DTS True Sound and DTS True Volume for revolutionary surround sound that delivers an organic pitch, bass, and volume for a more enjoyable multimedia experience. Between your home or the local movie theater, with this soundbar, you'll feel like you're getting the same high-class sound experience every time. Its wireless and Bluetooth-capable connectivity allow pairing with all your phones, tablets, laptops, and desktop computers throughout your home in a 30-foot radius. Number 5 on the list is Vizio SB3821-C6. This is another 38-inch soundbar ideal for long ceiling mounting or underneath your 40-inch flat screen. However, long shelves and television cabinets, entertainment systems also make this soundbar look great. Its 100 decibel surround sound is created through a long soundbar with tweeter speakers and a wireless subwoofer with a range of 60 feet. Subwoofer dimensions are 8 1/4 inch squared, sits 3/4 inch off the floor. This model is manufactured to guarantee crystal clear quality with less than 1% harmonic distortion, which very few products can boast. It's designed for premium audio with Dolby Digital decoding, taking the sound of the movie theater and bringing to your home with additional DTS True Volume and DTS audio post-processing. The wireless remote makes for convenient volume input and audio controls, Bluetooth included, which will link up to all your mobile devices, laptop computers, desktops, and Bluetooth or wireless-capable systems. There are no additional outputs to make this a 5.1 system. However, it is an exceptional 2.1 system which guarantees surround sound for a room approximately 30 feet in length. It would look great in your home and perform even better for all your music to movie watching needs. Just now is a list of 5 best soundbars that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.